Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to channel for in-depth beauty reviews and product insights. Today, we're diving into a must-have for all nail art enthusiasts, the Makartt Nail Rhinestone Glue Gel. This super strong gel nail glue promises to be your new best friend when it comes to securing dazzling gems and jewels to your nails, whether you're a seasoned nail technician or a DIY nail art lover. Let's start with a quick overview of what makes this product stand out. The Makartt Nail Rhinestone Glue Gel comes in a generous 30 milliliters tube, perfect for both natural and artificial nails. It's designed to secure everything from small rhinestones to larger, more elaborate 3D nail art pieces. The glue is incredibly sticky, ensuring that your nail art stays put for at least 2 weeks with proper application. One of the standout features is its versatility. You can use it on gel nail polish, polynail gel, acrylics, or even press-on nails. Now, onto the usage experience. The Makartt Glue Gel is incredibly easy to use thanks to its tube design that allows you to squeeze out just the right amount without any mess. Whether you're placing tiny gems or larger stones, this glue gives you ample working time to position your decorations before curing. Speaking of curing, a LED lamp is required, and depending on the lamp's power, curing can take around 3 minutes. The process is straightforward, and the result is a rock-solid bond that keeps your nail art intact. When it comes to performance, Makartt doesn't disappoint. We tested this glue with various nail art designs, including intricate 3D pieces and flat-back rhinestones, and the results were consistently impressive. The gem stayed securely in place, even through daily activities like typing, washing dishes, and even a bit of gardening. This level of adhesion is crucial, especially for those who want their nail art to last without having to worry about stones falling off. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the Makartt Nail Rhinestone Glue Gel offers exceptional adhesion, is easy to apply, and is compatible with a wide range of nail types and materials. The fact that it's made from natural resin and is both vegan and cruelty-free adds to its appeal, especially for those who are conscious about the ingredients in their beauty products. However, one downside is that removing the glue requires a nail drill, which might not be ideal for everyone, especially if you're looking for a gentler removal process. Comparing this product to others on the market, the Makartt Glue Gel stands out for its superior hold and ease of use. While there are cheaper alternatives available, like standard nail glues, they often lack the same level of adhesion and versatility, especially when it comes to securing larger, more elaborate designs. If you're serious about your nail art, the extra investment in the Makartt Glue is well worth it. In terms of value for money, this product is a solid buy. The 30 milliliter size is generous and should last through many nail art sessions, making it cost-effective in the long run. The build quality is also excellent. The glue doesn't dry out quickly in the tube, ensuring you get full use out of every drop. A quick call to action. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest beauty product insights. Your support helps us bring you more great content and helps others find this video too. Finally, who is this product for? Whether you're a professional nail technician looking for reliable supplies or a DIY enthusiast who loves experimenting with nail art at home, the Makartt Nail Rhinestone Glue Gel is a fantastic choice. Its strong hold, ease of use, and versatility make it suitable for a wide range of users. In conclusion, the Makartt Nail Rhinestone Glue Gel is a top-notch product that delivers on its promises. Its strong adhesion, user-friendly design, and high-quality ingredients make it a standout choice for anyone looking to create stunning, long-lasting nail art. You can find the link to purchase this product in the description box below. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments, and if you already own this product, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful.